$5,000 rule for HVAC. If you've ever looked at a repair quote and wondered whether you should fix your system or replace it, this simple rule is one of the most reliable tools homeowners on the Lower Eastern Shore can use to make a confident decision. Here's how it works. Take the age of your HVAC system and multiply it by the cost of the repair. If that number is over $5,000, replacement is usually the better long-term investment. If it's under $5,000, repair may still be the cost-effective choice. For example, a 12-year-old air conditioner needing an $800 repair totals $9,600, which points to replacement. A 5-year-old furnace needing a $300 repair totals $1,500, which makes repair the smarter move. Because our humid, salty air and long cooling seasons place extra stress on equipment, HVAC systems in the Lower Eastern Shore often wear out faster than in milder climates. That makes the $5,000 rule especially valuable when deciding how much more to invest in older equipment. If you're unsure which direction to go, we'll walk you through the numbers and give you a clear and honest recommendation. Call Coastal Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning to get started.